Hello friends! Do you like stars?
Yes, I like stars.
So, we will show you how to make one. We are going to make a star which looks just like this.
It will be beautiful.
So let's begin. We need to take a piece of paper just like this. Remember, one side should be the double of the other. We have taken the lengths 9 cm and 18 cm. First step of making our star is to take our paper and fold it in half.
Like this.
Next, let us take this edge and again fold it in half. Then again let us fold it in half.
There's a lot of foldings.
Right. Now let us open the full thing up so that we get the piece of paper again. See, we have got many crease lines. So now it will become easy for us to make our star. So first we need to take this edge and then fold it to the middle crease line. Repeat the same at this side. Next, let us take this point and fold it to 3/4 of the paper, which is right here.
The third crease line.
Yeah. You're right. Now we'll flip our paper.
It looks like a post.
Again, let's do the same step which we did in the first. We need to take this edge and then fold it to this middle crease line. Repeat this side. Let us repeat one more time the folding. It should look somewhat like this after our next fold. See? We have just folded our piece again into half. Do the same on the other side.
Like this.
Yeah, it looks great. Now we need to take our down edge and we can see a line over here. We need to fold it over there. So this line we fold it towards the up.
Over here.
Little more it can go. Yeah, very nice.
Now it looks like a mountain.
Now we'll again take this down edge and then fold it in half. In half. Yeah. Repeat. Then the last one more time we have to fold it in half. Then we'll unfold the the paper. At the end, we will get a piece like this. Now we have 2 pieces. We need 3 more pieces, which is just like that. Now we will show you how to join these pieces to make our 5-pointed star. You can take 2 pieces, Roni. First, we need to take this edge over here and put it in a flap which we find over here.
There is 2 pockets over here.
You can choose any.
Here.
Oh, you forgot to unfold. Like that. Yeah, much better. It's not like that. There is a fold at the back.
I know.
Let's put it inside that flap. See? Folding like this and inside. Now let us turn it. And then we will put this edge inside the pocket over here. Right, Roni? You're doing well.
Okay, you take it.
Next, we will take this edge and again repeat the same thing. Pocket, we put the edge in, and then we take this and then put it in the pocket over here.
It is so easy.
Let us now take this which Roni made and again join these 2 so it will be ready. This inside this flap. Okay. Let's do this again. It's almost done. Ooh. This one inside this flap.
It's so nice, right?
Yeah, it was easy to make also. See, it is so easy to make our 5-pointed star. It looks so nice. You can make it in different sizes and shapes according to the length of the paper you are using. See, these are many other stars we have made. You can try this at home. I hope you liked our video.
This is my mini star.
Thank you.
Thank you.